Let's take a look at some of the changes in the new Moodle 2.0. First off, you're going to see a change in your navigation areas. One of the things that you might notice is some of the things might be docked over on the side. For example, the settings bar. I have to click on it right here to bring up my settings. So if settings seems to be missing or any other item, look over on the docking on this side and also on here. Some of these items may be docked as well. So if I want to undock an item, I can just click on it in the docking area and then click on the little blue icon and then it undocks it. Let's undock the calendar as well. Now I see my navigation bar, which is my main pane that I'm going to be looking at, and my settings bar down below. You'll notice another little thing about Moodle is you see these drop-down arrows next to items such as my profile. You'll want to go ahead and open these up and take a look. Underneath my profile, you're going to see that you can view your profile, you can view your forum posts, your blogs, also take a look at your messages, access your private files, and your activity reports. If you click on My Courses, then you're going to be able to see your courses and also be able to quickly message all your participants. If you click on Participants, you will see a list of the participants in the class. You can select them all quickly and pull down to send a message. At this point, you can type in information and then click to preview and send at the bottom. Okay, another thing that you want to take a look at here is the settings. If you need to change items in your settings, notice that you can turn editing on here from the course administration, or you can also turn editing on at the top. One of the things that you're going to notice is missing is the switch role up at the top. That is now located over on the left-hand side as well. So you can switch role to any one of these different roles. Most of you will want to look at student role quite a bit, and then go back to your normal role as teachers. Underneath the settings is an edit settings. This used to just be called settings under the course administration block. When you click on settings, you'll be able to change your category, your title of your course, the short name for your course, and other information such as the number of weeks, the date that your course would start, your upload size, whether you want activity reports showing the gradebook to the students, etc. When you are finished, click Save Changes. Also underneath that settings block, you are going to see a users. This is really important because underneath settings you can no longer see or change your enrollment key. This is listed under users when you look at enrollment methods, and you would click on the self-enrollment, and under self-enrollment this is where you would see what your enrollment key is, and you could unmask it if necessary. If you do not see self-enrollment, you will want to go to enrollment methods and choose a new enrollment type and add it into the enrollment methods. One last thing that I'm going to talk about is underneath profile settings. You can edit your profile here, you can change your password, you can manage roles and permissions, and you also have some settings for your messaging. If you click on messaging, you'll notice that you can sign up for emails here or pop-up notifications. So take a look at all these and click update when you're done. I hope this gave you a little overview of some of the changes in Moodle 2.0.